I wanted to take a minute to thank you for registering for this course, but there's a few things I want you to know before getting right into it. The first is we did our best to make this an all-encompassing course, but there still may be some things that we didn't cover that you were looking to get covered. And if that's the case, please send us a message or ask us why it wasn't covered, or if you have a very specific question, ask us that question and then give us a chance to answer it for you or modify the course in some way to make it a little bit better, because our goal is to slowly improve this course over time to make it better and better with each new participant in it. Now, all this to be said, this is not a fitness for weight loss course. This is a fitness to become active in your lifestyle course. So if you're looking specifically for weight loss, this is probably not the fitness course for you. As well, we don't talk about food at all in this course. And food is a very important component when it comes to losing weight. So we just want you to know that on the front end, that there's no food information in this at all. So take care, and we'll see you in the course.